Drilltech, oilfield equipment manufacturing. A trusted name in precision-engineered oilfield solutions. With over 150,000 square feet of advanced facilities in ICAD 3 Abu Dhabi. In a fully equipped service and fabrication unit in Dubai Investments Park 2. Drilltech proudly serves the oil and gas, marine, power, chemical, and shipbuilding industries. Our team of seasoned professionals delivers quality engineered products customized to meet each client's unique objectives. We support major oil and gas companies across the Middle East and beyond, offering world-class manufacturing, fabrication, and service support. Drilltech is certified by API, ASME, ISO, and other global standards, ensuring top-tier quality, safety, and performance in every product we deliver. Our expertise includes contract manufacturing of wellhead components, crossovers, subs, manifolds, choke and kill lines, rotary drill stem elements, and pressure piping. Our fabrication division excels in ASME-stamped heavy-duty components, including silos, frac tanks, BOP skids, pipe baskets, and more. Every product undergoes strict quality control, from raw material to final delivery, ensuring 100% compliance with client requirements. We are your reliable engineering partner, committed to excellence, innovation, and integrity. Drilltech, where manufacturing meets engineering excellence.